Hey everybody, this is Drew. Welcome back to my channel. So in this video we're going to do a in-box review of the Academy 1/72 scale IL-2 Stormovik. This is a Soviet fighter bomber from World War II, and I picked this kit up last summer, and looks pretty interesting. So you can see some of the box art, the completed model. It says decals by Cartograph. That's a good sign. And it's kit number 12417. And it looks like you get different markings. There's even a German marking, so if you want to do a captured Stormovik, it gives you decals for that. Well, all right, let's get it open and see what we have. Some sort of correction here they put in. Not sure what that's all about. So it comes with 2 bags, decals, and various Academy paperwork, painting and decal sheet, variety of markings, and the instructions. All right. So let's start with the plastic. Get this out of the way. And typical with Academy, you get really nice, crisp plastic. This looks really well molded. I don't see any pen marks on the outside of parts. Some ordnance here. It's like the bottom part of the lower fuselage here. Some horizontal stabilizers. It's like part of the cockpit. In this sprue we get our propeller, just various looks like underwing stores, landing gear, exhaust, wheels. It's nice. You get flattened tires, and there are the hubs. I get to paint those separate. That's nice. Let's take a look at this one. Let's take a look at these clear parts. This looks interesting. There's a clear instrument panel. That looks pretty neat. Yeah. Canopy parts look very nice. Guessing this might be part of the instrument panel, maybe. Yeah. We shall see. Okay, let's take a look at the fuselage. These have really nice recessed panel lines, so that's a plus. Looks like you got some other type of bombs here. And the wings. I don't see a lot of riveting detail, but that's okay at this scale. I'm not really going to see it. Here's the wing areas. Those look nice. Inside the fuselage and inside the cockpit areas, you get some raised instruments, controls. There's a rear wheel. Okay. So they did it right. They got all the pin marks on the inside of the wing, so that'll work. That's going to be good. That's a good place to put them, Academy. Let's look at the instructions. So we have our cockpit pieces, some sort of fuel tank in the back of the cockpit, behind the pilot. And they've included some, photographs of the built-up cockpit to look at. Looks like just a pretty straightforward build. There's that instrument panel. And here you have color callouts with various different paints. So you got GSI, Mr. Color, basically Aqueous and Mr. Color, Life Color, Humbrol, Model Masters Acryl, which is no longer around. And we finish up with all the underwings and landing gear. Some weapons here, some little, must be some little rockets that we saw. Looks pretty neat. And looking at this is the, looks like this is going to be the one seat version. Later on they came out with a two-seater where they had a rear gunner. So that's, wish they had that in this kit, but it's all right. And sprue map. And here are the markings you can do. Quite a few. Paint callouts. So quite a few to pick from. And here are the decals. And again, printed by Cartograph, so these are going to be good. These look really nice. And there's the instrument panel decals. So look really nice. You can actually read those. It's in Russian, but you can actually make out the letters. So this is a nice, those are pretty good quality decals when you can read them at 1/72 scale. And check this out. If you wanted to do the German captured version, they give you pieces you can put decal pieces to put together for the swastika on the tail. Okay, well that looks like a pretty fun build, and hopefully won't have any trouble with it. But thanks for joining me, guys. I'm going to get going on this. I did put the Revell F-15C Eagle. I put that aside. Just couldn't deal with it right now. It's so much filling and sanding. It's just kind of driving me crazy. So I'm gonna do something different for a while. So anyway, if you haven't already done so, please subscribe to my channel. I appreciate it. It really helped me out. And happy modeling, and we'll see you on the next video. Take care.